guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little video for you guys again, but before we start, make sure you've already liked this video, comment and subscribe for me, please. I would really appreciate it, so I can keep giving you guys these videos. Without further ado, I have two styles. So the first one is this beautiful pony that you see right here on my head, and the next one is this one right here. Love both the styles. I will be doing the deep wave hair first. So if you want to skip to getting the pony, definitely go ahead and skip to doing the pony. We need to keep reusing these miracle knots. So let's get straight into the video.
I promise you guys, if you've ever had to make a wig before, this is going to be a breath of fresh air. Literally anyone can do this. You're going to need your mesh cap and a good one that's made for crochet hair, your wooden stand to display all your hair, and of course your crochet needle. The hair that I got was from a company in Amazon called Keylang Hair. They did send me this, but y'all, I'm gonna be honest, this hair is nice. The fact that I parted the hair and sectioned it off and it still maintained a curl pattern, 10 out of 10 for me. As always, we're going around and just starting with the perimeter first because we're not gonna have any gaps, okay? And you guys pretty much already know how to crochet, I'm assuming, if you're watching this video, and if not, you can pay close attention because I'm kind of going through it here. The method that I'm using is just going to be bringing the two strands through the mesh cap, and then once I pull it through, I'm just going to like bring the two strands back through the loop that I created. Just make sure the front of the hair is nice and full like this and you guys will be fine. Now for the part that you've all been waiting for, the ponytail. I'm gonna be using 3 packs out of the 4 that they sent me. This is in their style Burmese Curly, and I believe this is a natural black color. So to do this style, it's also very simple as the last. You're gonna need a scrunchie, and I'm gonna be taking 2 packs of hair and doubling it into 1. So all you have to do is literally take the scrunchie and loop them in together. You'll see me do it here. Guys, it's literally that simple. I just like made it a little tight, and now I'm going to go through the hair putting some product and water. One thing I will say, I know this hair is gonna tangle, but I love that because it has a nice yuckiness to it, and this is what we're working with. As always, I'll try my best to link all the products that I use below. Let me know in the comments which style you're gonna be trying.
I'm so happy that you made it to the end of the video. It like literally warms my heart that you enjoyed it. Remember to like, follow and subscribe, please. Okay, but I will see you guys on the next one, and let me know what other hairstyles you want me to try out, because, you know, girl, I like to be dishing them out. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.